My name is Dmitry. I am founder of CAD.BIM.HELP educational resource. In this brief overview, I will tell you about switching to Bentley MicroStation. And it's really easy. I think time savers will like not only AutoCAD users but any users of CAD systems. A couple of words about stability. MicroStation is more stable than AutoCAD. MicroStation saves each command as you work. Less crashes, less lost data, less do-overs. Saves your time and makes you a winner. Use commands over and over. It's a very simple benefit, but I really like it because it saves a lot of time. Just look this. I choose the line tool. As you can see, the line tool is active. I draw the first line, second line, but the line tool is still active. No need to go to the context menu or the ribbon to repeat the command. MicroStation automatically converts units of measure to other units on the fly. Just look. I take the dimension, place it on the draw, and then I can change the unit as I wish, without any calculations and any edit of my drawing. With this benefit, you can use one drawing for different tasks and even for different countries. The Unlimited Undo tool is a really cool benefit which makes your work more flexible. Let's go to another interesting capability, not only small like previous, but big also. Such big ones, for example, point clouds. With MicroStation you get a large list of point clouds files formats, which you can import directly. But when you use Autodesk software, you have some limits. You can't import point cloud directly, but through the recap only, with conversation to OBJ file. Also you have a limit of points. All this trouble is absent in MicroStation. MicroStation includes useful bridge 2D and 3D technology, which helps you dynamically update. For example, we can take this hole in a 3D model and replace it. This hole will be replaced in 2D drawing too. Or we can change one of the feature, one of the properties, and this property will change in all views. Every engineer likes to work with two monitors, but MicroStation supports up to 4 monitors at the same time. It's very cool. When you work in other software, more than one viewport, you need to click to another viewport to make it active. But in MicroStation you can stay active without additional clicks. How does it work? Just look it. You can create some geometry in one active viewport, then just move the arrow to any other inactive viewport and simply continue your creation. The new viewport becomes active automatically. MicroStation is all about the data, because MicroStation supports more than 100 different data types and works with big data. And now let's look at examples of MicroStation works without any comments. As I said previously, MicroStation works with big data, and this also means that MicroStation is a reality model friendly software. You can import 3D mesh without any problem directly. So MicroStation is a tool for digital twin. When I said about more than 100 supported data types, it wasn't a joke. And now you can see it in this list. This is the end of my brief overview, but not the end of MicroStation tools and benefits. To research it, I invite you to try MicroStation for free. If you have any question or suggestion, don't hesitate, contact me. That's all. Thank you for watching. Even more useful content in my other videos. Subscribe, like it, and share this video with at least 3 others. Follow my news on social networks. See you in my new videos.